Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Sage Accounting for construction. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to sign up for a Sage account. So as you can see right here, this is a demo website. So don't worry because I'm going to show you as well on how you can sign up for an account. So when you visit the Sage Accounting, as you can see right here at the top right, you can only see the login option. So there's no sign up button right here. So when you click on the login option, you'd be directed to this page, but still you cannot find an option where you can sign up for an account. Okay, so as you can see right here on my second tab, what I did is I searched for accounting.sage1.ca/signup/default.aspx, and you'd be directed to the Sage Accounting sign up page. So once you're here, all you have to do is to type out your company name, your product type, country, your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your email, and then you have to create your password, confirm your password, and then type out this once of access code. So just enter the access code in this field, and then what you currently use, years in business, and if you have a referral code, you just have to type out right here. Then after that, just click on these boxes right here and click on sign up, and after that you'd be directed to your Sage 1 account or dashboard. So right here, as you can see at the top, we have the home page. We have the quick view, the customers, suppliers, items, banking account, accountants, area reports, company, and administration. So for your dashboard, you have these details. Okay, so right here at the top, we are going to discuss all of the important details that we need to do in order for us to use this Sage Accounting for construction. So let's start with the customer. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to add our customer. So just click on this one. That's right. And what you're going to do here is to fill out all of the fields that you can see in this page. So let's start with the customer name. Okay, so just type out right here the name of your new customer, and then for the category, you just have to select the category. So I'm just going to select none for this one. And for the opening balance, you just have to tap it right here, the opening balance amount. Next one is the opening balance date. So that is automatically be added right here. Then after that, you can see here the other details. So we have the postal address. Type out right here the postal address, and then the delivery address, the contact details, and then the default settings. So you just have to fill out the form, and you also have here your credit limit, and then the customer VAT number, and all of the other details for the customer section. So when you go here to the additional contacts, you'd be able to see here the list of your contacts, the notes, and then the user-defined fields, the personal information, the sales grab, and then the code. Next, you just have to click on Save or Save New. The next one is the supplier. So this one is one of the most important. If you're building construction, you have to add here your supplier. So for example, for your supplier name, we are going to type right here steel. Then for the category, we selected none, and for the opening balance, you just have to type it right here, the opening balance amount, and then for the postal address, the physical address, the contact details, and then the default settings. Next is we have here the other details as well. We have the additional contacts, the banking details. So you just have to type it right here, the supplier banking details, the user-defined fields, the personal information, and then the last field. Next one is for the items. So assuming that we are going to add a new item for our construction, just click on the add new item. So you just have to type it right here, the code of your item, and then the description for the item. So for example, I'm going to type out right here for construction. And then for the category, I have selected none for this one. And for the code, I'm just going to type out random letters. And here for the item type, it should be physical or service, it's up to you. And here for the opening cost for this one, and then the opening quantity and the opening quantity schedule. Next one, we have the details. So we have here the item details, the price list. We have the exclusive selling price, inclusive selling price, and the item account. And here we have the GP percent, GP amount, the VAT on sale, and then the VAT on purchases. After this one, just click on save or click on save and new if you want to add a new item. Next one is when you go to the list and click on list of items, you'll be able to see here all of the items that you have added for your construction. So you'd be able to see here the description of your item, the category, the price excluded, the price included, and then the average cost, the last cost, the quantity on hand, the active, and then the actions. So for example, you have mistakenly added here an item, so just click on that one, the actions option, and click on delete. Or if you want to edit an existing item, just click on the actions once again and click on the edit. And here you can now start customizing this item. So for example, you want to change the item details or item account, so you can do that right here. Now going back to this section. Okay, so now let's proceed to the banking. Here you can add a bank or credit card. So just click on add a bank or credit card for this one. And then what you're going to do is to fill out the field. So we have the bank account name, the category, the default payment method, the bank name again, and then the account number, the branch name, and then the description, and then the opening balance, and then the opening balance schedule, and then the branch code. Here you have here the notes for this account, and then the next thing you should do is to save it or save and new. Okay, so we also have the accountants area, the reports, the company, and then the administration. So you just have to explore the rest of the options at the top. Now going back to the home page and go to my workspace. Right here, we'd be able to see and how we can create invoices. Okay, so when building a construction or any kind of project, of course, it is very important to create an invoice. So here we can create an invoice when I go to my workspace and then just click on the create an invoice option. So when you click on this one right here, you'll be able to see the process customer invoice. So here, since you have your list of customers, so you'd be able to see their name right here. So when you click on this arrow on the customer field, you'll be able to select which customer do you want to create an invoice. So here you can add all of the items. Okay, so just click on this arrow and you'll be able to see here the items from your item list. Then after that, you'll be able to see here the message, and then here is the total discount, the total exclusive, the total VAT, and then the total. After that, you can save it, you can save a new, or you can, send the invoice to your customer directly. And after that, when you go back to your dashboard, you'd be able to see here now your to-do list, your sales history, your banking, your top customer by sales, and all of the important details for your construction. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.